There's a new Xbox coming out this month, which means we'll have some of those to give away soon, including this one, which I'll be customizing for our next giveaway. In today's video, we're drawing a Hazmat Crewmate from Among Us. Let's get started in the center of our page and draw the left side of the gas mask. So we start right at the top, we're going to draw an oval and an angle, coming down and out towards the right. Just going to pull that back up towards the top. And we'll connect the top and bottom of the oval with a half circle. We're going to go out towards the right, around, and then back down towards the bottom. Now we're going to tuck the face mask in behind, starting at the very top, curve up, and then in. We're going to go out and down towards the right side, towards the bottom of the mask. Now we're going to round out the bottom and just tuck this in underneath. We're going to come down and then just pull that up. Now from that bottom corner, we're just going to curve this down and then out. Let's move up towards the side, go up and then out. Let's connect the top and bottom with a curve, going around and then back in. And then we'll open up that vent in the center of the mask. Starting over on the left, just going to follow that same curve, coming down and then up. Let's connect the ends with a half oval, going up towards the top and then back down towards the bottom. Let's add some vertical lines inside the vent. Starting on the left, draw a straight line coming down, leave a gap, and then we'll just continue all the way over towards the right. Now we're going to move back up to the top and draw the inside edge of the goggles. Starting from the center, I'm just going to curve this up, and then out towards the left, go back to the center, curve up, and out towards the right. Let's round out the side of the goggles. Starting back on the left, curve around, and then just pull that back in, go to the right side, going around and then in. Now we're going to add a thick trimmer on the outside of the goggles. Starting from the left, we're going to step down, just follow that same curve, going around and then up. Just going to bend this around and then in towards the middle. Let's round at the center and then go back up. I just want to pull this back around and back in along the top edge of the goggle. Let's add some highlights across the goggle. Starting from the top, I'm going to curve this out and then down, step in, just draw that same curve. Let's do the same thing on the right. Curving in, stepping out, and draw that again. Let's go to the left side of the goggle and add the strap. Starting from the top, draw a straight line going out, step down, draw that again, close off the end with a straight line. And now we're going to draw the top of the head in behind the strap. Starting from that top corner, step in, curve up, and then that in. It's going to round out the top of the head, go across, and then down along the top of the goggle. Now we're going to line this up underneath the strap. It's going to curve the body going out, down, and then back in towards the bottom of the feet. Let's go back up on the right, come straight down, round out the body, and then just pull that in towards the same height. Now we're going to round out the bottom of the feet. Starting on the left, curve down, then up, go to the right, and do the same thing. And then from the inside of the left leg, draw a straight line going up towards the body, and we'll curve the body going out and up towards the right. Let's go to the inside of the right leg and draw a straight line going up underneath the body. Let's draw the backpack on the left side. Starting from the top, curve out and then down. We'll move down towards the bottom, go out and then up. Let's connect the ends with a curve, going out and then back in. Now let's draw in the suit. Starting from the top left, just going to curve down in the middle, round this out, and then pull that up on the right. And then from the bottom of the body, we're going to step up, start with a point. From here, we're just going to curve up, and then out towards the left, towards the collar. Go back down towards the bottom, curve up, and out towards the right. Let's draw the bottom edge of the pant. From the bottom corner on the left, step up, and follow the same curve of the foot, coming down and then up on the inside. Line this up on the right, and do the same thing. Let's add that shadow along the top of the backpack. Starting on the left, curve down, and then in. We're also going to add a highlight on the left side of the feet. Starting underneath the pant on the left, draw a straight line coming down, step in, draw that twice. And then we'll do the same thing on the right. And that's pretty much it. There's our Hazmat crewmate from Among Us. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. Make sure you subscribe and send me your requests in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you again soon.